we are seeing a new age as far as courts are concerned. We are seeing the Chief Justice of India and the other justices live on TV. Is this here to stay, this culture of live TV, or is there going to be some sort of a pushback?
So, as far as this virtual hearing, so to say, is concerned, according to me, it was brought in because of the pandemic. So, it was really thrust upon us. We had no option. We had to,
But that time it wasn't live for the larger audience.
It was live in the sense that it was virtual, so client also could access and it could see. Now they're doing a YouTube telecast, which is recent.
Right.
Where it is telecast, anybody can just log in and see. But otherwise, then also media could see, clients could see. So it was thrust upon us. According to me, the present Chief Justice is, advocating this very strongly. But there will be a course correction in the days to come, especially when he retires. Because I sense amongst the judges that this virtual thing should not be given as a matter of right to everybody, because the whole purpose of having an institution and having a bar association, all that will completely not be. So you'll have judges sitting at their homes, one judge sitting at his home, the other sitting at his home, lawyer sitting at his office, and so the purpose of having a Supreme Court of India, a huge building like a Supreme Court of India or a Chief Justice's Court, all that will really fade into insignificance. So that should not happen in my view. It should be need-based.
So what about the argument that this will lead to more transparency, speedy justice?
So I'm coming to that. So the YouTube telecast, where a layman can watch the proceeding, is probably here to stay. That will happen, and that's something very good. It should happen because in all courts, it should happen slowly. I mean, technology will be requiring a lot of technological changes for it to happen in the entire country. Even today, for Supreme Court, it doesn't happen in all hearings. Suddenly, you'll find a link of the Calcutta hearing being circulated by the registry for YouTube. But otherwise, it's not that every hearing is on YouTube. So when the Chief Justice wants a particular hearing to be a sort of live telecast, it is being done. But I feel that should happen as a matter of course for two reasons. Firstly, for the integrity of the institution, because what happens inside court, people don't know what is happening inside court, and many a times they only read the order, but they don't see what exactly transpired for the matter resulting in that particular order. And it can be very important sometimes. In fact, it also reflects on the justice delivery. It's also important for the litigants, because if the lawyer needs to go to court or a judge needs to go to court, is very different from a litigant going to court. Why should a litigant be asked to come to court if he can see the proceedings at his home? So this, according to me, that part should stay, but this virtual hearing probably will have to be, cut down a little bit. Although as a senior advocate, it will be to my disadvantage, because here I'm sitting here, I can access any court in the country. But I don't think it's something which is desirable for the institution in the long run.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this clip. As you know, we are taking a deep dive into some complex issues and decoding them for you. So don't forget to check out more content on our channel. And also, we'd love to hear back from you with your comments and your suggestions. So let's explore together.